All right, completing the square. This is the advanced question. We are once again solving by completing the square. Notice that in our equation, the x squared and the x term are already alone. The 14 on the other side is going to stay there. We need to add something to this left-hand side to make it a perfect square trinomial. And once we add to the left, we have to add the same thing to the right. Let's figure out what we need to add. So we're going to take the b value, which is -5. Notice the a is 1. We need that. So we're going to take the b value, cut it in half, chop it in half, divide it by 2. So -5 halves squared. Grab a calculator, we get 6.25. That's -2.5. When we square it, we get 6.25. So we're going to add a 6.25 to both sides. And we're going to take the left-hand side and write it as x minus either 5 halves or 2.5, either way. But -5 divided by 2 is what needs to go in there. And over on the right-hand side, we have 20.25. 14 plus 6.25. Now to undo the square, we need to do a square root. Remember to do a plus or minus square root of the 20.25. On the left, we have x minus 2.5. On the right, I'm going to grab my calculator and try the square root of 20.25 just to see if it comes out to a fairly nice number, and it does. It's 4.5. I'm going to write two equations because those are numbers that I can combine because they are alike. They're both rationals. So I'll add a 2.5, and I'll get x equals 7. For the second equation, x minus 2.5 equals -4.5. If we add 2.5 here, we get x equals -2. And those are the two solutions.